How to make an appointment in Tokio?
Hi, what are you doing?
I want to make appointment. But I want to get served without waiting in queue.
Let me guide you to make an appointment online. First, launch oneTokio on your device. Then log in to your account. Second, select Make Appointment.
First, enter your name. Second, enter your mobile number. Third, enter your email address. Fourth, choose the service you required. Fifth, choose your preferred branch. Sixth, select your preferred date. And finally, choose your preferred time slot. Click Submit after acknowledgement. Your appointment is confirmed.
You can find oneTokio in the Apple App Store, Android Play Store, and Huawei App Gallery. Follow us on social media to stay updated on all of Tokio Marine's new offerings.